Hi everyone, how is going? Today, despite of the weather, a cool meeting was planned. Here gathered a lot of really exotic cars from V8 Club, Mustang Club, so we all met, drove across the capital, made noise, had a races a bit. A gorgeous meet. You are going to like it, I'm sure, so let's go.
Ain't running on E. I'ma find a girl who wants to drive me to the places that I gotta go, the shit I gotta see. If I were you, don't even show your face, dog. Ain't nothing over here for you to hate on. Just words that I'm feeling in my soul, bruh. A few stories that you can maybe learn from. And of course, you and I gon' smoke some. The prehistoric stories on the grind. And even when we dirty, we gon' shine. Cause we all use the power in our minds. So maybe I should go back to school. Be less like me and be more like you. Cause this Burger King shit ain't cool. Hell nah. Fair enough, cause I got more shit to prove. I kill this shit even though I'm broke. Yeah, the money moving slow. Cause 9 to 5 I'm working, it's a joke. Give me money, fool. It made me wanna slit my throat. It made me wanna go and sell dope with my niggas. It's like I'm riding down a slope with my niggas. It made me wanna go and break my oath. God damn it, I'm toast. Shit, man. God damn it, I'm toast. Oh no. Fucked up again. God damn it, I'm toast. Oh no. Maybe I should go back to school. Be less like me and be more like you. Cause this Burger King shit, it ain't cool. Fair enough, cause I got more shit to prove. Can handle my shit. Shit, even though I'm broke. Yeah, the money moving slow. I'm the spirit. Cause 9 to 5 I'm working, it's a joke. Money flow. It made me wanna slit my throat. It made me wanna go and sell dope for my nigga. It's like I'm riding down a slope. It made me wanna go and break my oath. God damn it, I'm toast. But I'm still a G. A girl who wants to drive me to the places that I gotta go, the shit I gotta see. If I were you, don't even show your face, dog. Ain't nothing over here for you to hate on. Just words that I'm feeling in my soul, bruh. A few stories that you can maybe learn from. And of course, you and I gon' smoke some. The prehistoric stories on the grind. And even when we dirty, we gon' shine. Cause we all use the power in our minds. So maybe I should go back to school. Be less like me and be more like you. Cause this Burger King shit ain't cool. Hell nah. Fair enough, cause I got more shit to prove. I kill this shit even though I'm broke. Yeah, the money moving slow. I'm the spirit. Cause 9 to 5 I'm working, it's a joke. Give me money, fool. It made me wanna slit my throat. It made me wanna go and sell dope with my niggas. It's like I'm riding down a slope with my niggas. It made me wanna go and break my oath. God damn it, I'm toast. Shit, man. God damn it, I'm toast. Oh no. Fucked up again. God damn it, I'm toast. Oh no. Maybe I should go back to school. Be less like me and be more like you. Cause this Burger King shit, it ain't cool. Fair enough, cause I got more shit to prove. There ain't really much for me to lose. So it's your turn, go and make your move. But don't you ever act brand new. Cause we all got a mission, you gotta pull through. Man, I don't know about you, but I'm not a bitch. So I can handle my shit. Gotta pull through. Levels. Many levels.